When it comes to power tools, the market is flooded with options, each promising to be the best companion for your DIY projects, home renovations, or even professional tasks. Among the most talked about brands are Kobalt and Ryobi, two names that have carved out loyal followings in the power tool world. But which one truly delivers better quality tools? Is it Kobalt, with its reputation for power-packed performance and durability, or Ryobi, the go-to brand for budget-conscious DIYers with an impressive product range? Choosing between these two brands is no small task. Whether you're a weekend warrior tackling home improvement projects or a professional looking for reliable tools, understanding the differences in materials and build quality, performance, durability, battery technology, and even factors like warranty and ergonomics can make all the difference. In this detailed comparison, we'll dive deep into what each brand brings to the table, helping you decide which is better suited to your needs. Let's get started. Company background. Kobalt is Lowe's house brand of tools, with their power tools primarily manufactured by Shervon, the same company that produces tools for brands like Ego, Flex, and Skill. Kobalt power tools are mainly manufactured outside of the United States, with factories located primarily in China and Germany. Ryobi, on the other hand, is owned by TTI, Tektronic Industries, which is also Milwaukee's parent company. Ryobi has positioned itself as an affordable brand, targeting DIYers, homeowners, and enthusiast users. Their tools are manufactured in various countries. Materials and build quality. Kobalt tools generally feature robust construction with metal components in critical areas. For example, both Kobalt and Ryobi impact drivers have metal housings that cover the anvil, though Kobalt uses a plastic housing with metal inside and a decorative cover. Ryobi tools are designed to be affordable while maintaining acceptable quality standards. While they may not use premium materials throughout, they incorporate sufficient durability for their target market of DIY users and homeowners. Quality and performance. Kobalt positions itself slightly above mid-range, with their 24-volt max line offering more power than comparable tools. Their cordless drill achieves 2,000 in-pounds of torque and 3,800 IPM, which exceeds competitors in the same class. In head-to-head testing, Kobalt's impact driver demonstrated quieter operation compared to Ryobi's model. Ryobi tools deliver reliable performance for DIY and home use, but may not match the power of Kobalt's 24-volt system. For instance, Ryobi's cordless drill offers 515 in-pounds of torque compared to Kobalt's significantly higher rating. However, Ryobi tools have been praised for their reliability and value for typical homeowner tasks. Durability. Kobalt tools feature a 5-year limited warranty on their tools, suggesting confidence in their durability. Users report that Kobalt power tools can withstand demanding conditions, with some professionals using them in semi-trailer repair shops for extended periods without issues. Ryobi tools are generally considered durable for DIY and occasional use, but may not stand up to daily professional abuse. Some professionals report going through multiple Ryobi tools when used 8 to 12 hours daily, noting issues with cooling fins melting, motors burning out, and bearing failures. However, for typical homeowner use, Ryobi tools can last 5 to 10 years or more. Battery technology. Kobalt uses a 24-volt battery system, which provides more power than the standard 18 volts or 20 volt systems used by many competitors. Their batteries include a fuel gauge on the 4.0 Ah models, which Ryobi's smaller batteries lack. Kobalt batteries are also noted for being half the price of other comparable batteries while maintaining good performance. Ryobi uses an 18-volt 1+ battery system that has remained consistent since 1996, allowing for exceptional backward compatibility. This means users can still power tools purchased decades ago with new batteries. Ryobi also offers 40 volts and 80 volt systems for outdoor equipment. Mobility. Both brands offer cordless tool options that provide good mobility. Kobalt's 24-volt system may be slightly heavier due to the larger battery, but provides more power. Some users note that the Kobalt battery makes tools bulkier or awkward to use. Ryobi tools are generally lightweight and designed for ease of use. Their extensive cordless lineup includes compact options that are easy to transport and use in various settings. User compatibility. Kobalt tools are designed with user-friendly features like LED work lights, ergonomic grips, and variable speed controls. Their impact driver features a push-button collet for bit changes, similar to Ryobi's design. Ryobi excels in user compatibility with their consistent battery platform across hundreds of tools. This allows users to expand their collection over time without worrying about battery compatibility issues. Ryobi tools also feature ergonomic designs and user-friendly controls. Product line comparison. Kobalt offers around 40 different 24-volt cordless tools, including drills, saws, impact wrenches, and more. They also have a more extensive selection of miter saws compared to Ryobi, with 6 different models available. Ryobi boasts a massive lineup with hundreds of tools in their 18-volt ONE+ system, including drills, saws, lighting, plumbing tools, woodworking equipment, chemical sprayers, vacuums, and gardening tools. Their 40-volt line includes lawnmowers, chainsaws, and other outdoor equipment. This extensive variety is one of Ryobi's strongest selling points. Price. Kobalt tools are generally priced in the mid-range, with their 24-volt max cordless drill costing around $169, comparable to higher-end brands like Milwaukee, $189, and DeWalt, $274. Ryobi positions itself as a budget-friendly option, with their cordless drill available for as low as $77.32, making them significantly more affordable than Kobalt and premium brands. This price difference makes Ryobi particularly attractive to homeowners and occasional users. Warranty. Kobalt offers an impressive 5-year limited warranty on their handheld power tools and a 3-year warranty on batteries. They also provide a satisfaction guarantee on power tool accessories and a 1-year risk-free guarantee on their 24-volt max brushless power tools. Ryobi provides the industry-standard 3-year limited warranty on all power tools and a 90-day exchange policy. While not as extensive as Kobalt's warranty, it still provides adequate coverage for most users. Ergonomics. Kobalt tools feature ergonomic designs with comfortable grips and balanced weight distribution. Their impact driver is noted for being quieter than Ryobi's, which can reduce user fatigue during extended use. Ryobi tools are designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring comfortable grips and lightweight designs. Some users prefer Ryobi's square-shaped impact driver design, which they find comfortable to hold and use. So, which is better? For DIYers and homeowners looking for an extensive tool lineup with good value, Ryobi offers an unmatched variety of tools that all use the same battery system, with consistent backward compatibility since 1996. Their tools provide adequate performance for most home projects at budget-friendly prices. For those seeking more power and durability who don't need as wide a selection of tools, Kobalt's 24-volt system offers better performance, longer warranties, and higher build quality at a moderate price premium over Ryobi. Their tools are better suited for more demanding applications and users who prioritize power over variety. The choice between Kobalt and Ryobi ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and the importance you place on having access to a wide variety of tools versus having more powerful individual tools.